top 3 crave-causing mistakes. Number 1, not eating enough protein. Alam mo ba, protein is the number 1 nutrient that your body needs kasi without protein, walang hair, walang skin, walang muscle. And alam natin, muscle ang kailangan natin para tayo ay firm and of course, mabilis ang ating metabolism. And of course, alam mo ba, protein keeps you full longer. So, mababawasan natin ang cravings. Number 2, lack of water. Kasi ang katawan natin, madalas, hindi niya na-differentiate ang uhaw sa gutom. So, madalas, pag nagugutom tayo or nauuhaw tayo, ang iniisip agad natin, kain. Hindi natin naiisip na baka dehydrated lang. Isang ginagawa ko is I always have a liter of water nearby. And bakit a liter? Kasi nakakatamad magbilang ng ilang baso na ba ako, lalo na kung busy-busy. So, if I have a liter of water always, no, 3 beses lang ako magre-refill, nakukuha ko na yung 3 to 4 liters of water a day. And number 3 na mistake, yung mabilis lang dukutin yung mga craving-causing na mga pagkain like crackers and chips. Yung iba pa naman, nasa drawer lang agad. So instead, snack healthy, shift natin yan sa mga pwedeng snacks na makaka-trim down ng belly. Are you looking for a coach? DM us, let's chat!